Have you ever suddenly started hiccuping for no obvious reason? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, or the muscle that helps you breathe, contracts involuntarily. At the same time, the vocal cords briefly close. That combination creates the characteristic hic sound. Things like eating quickly, swallowing air, temperature changes, or mild stomach irritation can trigger it. That's why hiccups usually stop on their own once the diaphragm relaxes. This video is for educational purposes only.